Hey guys, Josh from Norfolk Aircraft Interiors here. We just finished this beautiful Cirrus SR22 G2. Come take a look at the interior. We did a beautiful brown hawk leather. We have the cream leather interior done as well on the door panels, along with the hawk brown leather. Take a look at the stitching. If you would like your Cirrus done with us, please give us a call at 757-844-8542 or send us an email at team@norfolkaircraftinteriors.com. Have a great rest of your day and see you on the next one.